Alright, up next here at Freedom Blasting, we have a 57 Thunderbird. You'll see. Fiberglass top there. And this particular customer is asking us just to blast the underside inside the trunk and engine bay area. And he's going for an old, patinaed look on the outside, but he's spending probably $15,000 on the engine and transmission. So he's going for a hot rod look. So he doesn't want us to blast the whole exterior, you can see here. Okay, so we'll pop these rims off. We'll blast under the wheel wells. Sorry about the video. I'm not a professional videographer, but I am a sandblaster. So just wanted to show you guys what we do here, the care we take in each project. And yes, you're probably saying, why doesn't he have a rotisserie? Well, this one has bumpers and everything on it, so we couldn't get it up on the rotisserie at the moment. So we have these heavy duty A-frames. So we will be blasting the underside with our abrasive material, and then the owner will be putting a Por 15 epoxy coating on it. We're going to do the trunk area also, inside the trunk. I don't have the key for it open right now, but there's the trunk. Blast the inside. This right here, fiberglass. Very thick paint, very, very thick paint. So we're going to hit this with soda afterwards. After we do the abrasive blast on the underside, we'll take the lid off and we will go over to our soda booth. This is our soda booth right here. You say it's a shipping container. Yeah, it's a shipping container that we've modified into a soda booth. Just soda goes in there. And this is the abrasive booth here. So there you go. So again, Freedom Blasting, 317-774-4321. Indiana's premier automobile blasting facility. Give us a call. Talk to one of our qualified team members to get your project in here. Thanks. Have a great day.